What's up, guys? It's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. Welcome back to another episode of what top stock YouTubers to follow and my breakdown in my 100% honest opinion on their channel and whether it will be good or bad. Today's episode is the man himself. It is Tim Sykes, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. If you follow my YouTube, you'll know I'm not a fan of Tim Sykes at all. I'm not making this video to slate the guy. He is second place on the list of what stock YouTubers to follow, which I'm amazed by this, so I kind of wanted to review his YouTube for you guys. I'm not a fan of the YouTube channel at all. Let's be blunt and let's be honest about this. I'm not a fan of his teaching skills. I'm not a fan of any content he puts out there. He's kind of advertises the stock market as a get-rich-quick scheme, and he really does fill beginners with a false sense of hope. A lot of smoke and mirrors effect with his style on YouTube. He does have a secret kind of style that he's constantly selling in his YouTube videos. As you see, he sells you a pipe dream, which I think is a lot of shit, because you can't be teaching beginners that type of content when they're getting into the stock market. It just ends drastically wrong for them. So I want to kind of advise you, don't be following that type of content, especially if you're a beginner. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is very difficult to make a living out of. So anyone that tells you it is, they're just trying to sell you a pipe dream, to sell you their courses and fill you full of shit. And I'm not a fan of that. I don't like to see anybody fail in the stock market, and I don't like to see anybody coming in with too high expectations of what is going to happen. But breaking down his YouTube channel, I feel there's not a lot of content or value you're going to find off his channel. There's nothing really education you're going to learn. He's going to tell you of his gains, he's going to tell you of his losses, he's going to tell you about his top students, millionaire students, and that's really all you're going to get from his YouTube channel. He doesn't give away any free content for you to learn. He doesn't give you any free tips to learn from. So really, following Tim Sykes' YouTube is absolutely pointless. I see him as a sitting duck in YouTube, I really do, and I see him as a sitting duck in the stock market. I think it's his time to come off that pedestal, and it's time for someone else to take over. And I don't believe he's the king in the jungle anymore, by no means. So that's my review on Tim Sykes, guys. Again, it is really blunt and really honest, but that's what I try to do for you guys, is to give you blunt, honest reviews in my 100% honest opinion. Whether you like it or not, I can't really help that. I'm there to try to help you save time and money, and who to follow and get content off that will help you in your trading career. So guys, that's the end of the review video. Thank you for watching the episode. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and God bless.